Setting up JFrog Artifactory involves installing and configuring the platform to manage and store artifacts across various repositories. Here's a step-by-step guide. Download and install JFrog Artifactory. Visit the JFrog Artifactory page to download the installer for your operating system. Run the installer and follow the prompts to install Artifactory on your desired server. Configure Artifactory. Once installed, launch JFrog Artifactory by navigating to HTTP server IP port. Initial setup. Follow the setup wizard, which prompts you to set up an administrative username and password. Choose a type of instance. Configure repositories. After setup, create repositories to manage your artifacts. Navigate to repositories, add repository and select the type of repository. For example, for a Maven repository, select Maven. Provide the repository key and define policies such as retention, cleanup or publishing permissions. Set up access and permissions. Configure user permissions to control access to repositories. Navigate to admin, users and groups to manage users and assign roles. Integrate with CI/CD tools. Integrate JFrog Artifactory with tools like Jenkins, GitHub, and Docker by configuring appropriate plugins or APIs for seamless artifact management and deployment.